In a previous video, we showed you how to arrange and stitch pattern pieces on a cube. In this video, we're going to show you how to arrange garment pattern pieces on a human-shaped avatar and how to stitch the pieces together. To start, we need to open the garment file. We go to Main menu, click File, then Open. A File Explorer window is displayed, and we go to where the garment file skirt and tank start.bw is located. We select the file and click Open, and the garment is loaded. Let's go to the 2D window and check what pattern pieces we have. We right-click on a pattern piece and then click Piece Resources. The Resources tabs now display the 2D tab, showing all the pattern pieces and their names, with the selected piece highlighted. As we select different pattern pieces in the 2D window, that piece is highlighted on the 2D tab. FR is the front piece, FRSK is the front skirt piece, BK is the back piece, BKSK is the back skirt piece. We'll change the layout of the pattern pieces in the 2D window for a clearer view. Now we can move on to Arrange mode. We go to the main toolbar and click Arrange. The 2D window now displays different views of a figure, front, back, left, and right, onto which we are going to arrange the appropriate pattern pieces. First, we'll put the front pattern piece on the front view, on the torso. Having done that, we go back to the main toolbar and click Prepare. This allows us to see the pattern pieces on the avatar in the 3D window. Note that you only need to do this stage for the first piece. Here we can adjust the location of the pattern pieces to get the best fit. Note that if we move the pattern piece in the 2D window, it also moves in the 3D window. Now let's arrange the front skirt piece. We go to the 2D window and drag the piece to the front figure. We need to make sure it's positioned on the skirt cluster and not, for example, a leg cluster. Next, we arrange the back piece. We drag it to the back figure, on the torso. Finally, we arrange the back skirt piece. We drag it to the back figure to the skirt cluster. Reviewing how the pieces are arranged, it looks as if the front piece is a little too high on the avatar, so we'll drag it down. Now let's move on to the stitching. To start, we go to the main toolbar and click Stitch. To stitch two edges, we only need to click on them. Although we only clicked one side of the pattern piece, the system automatically stitched the other side because the pieces are symmetrical. We can stitch in the 2D or the 3D window. For example, if we delete the stitching, we can redo it easily in the 3D window. We finish off by stitching the shoulder straps. Now we can dress the avatar. Reviewing the simulated garment, we see that the fit on the back is not quite right. We go up to the main toolbar and click Prepare, and we can see that the back piece is a little high. To be able to adjust this, we go to the main toolbar and click Select. Then, let's move the piece. Note what happens if we move it too low on the avatar. The stitches go through the avatar. We don't want that. Having adjusted the back, we'll also adjust the front to make them both at the same level. We dress the avatar to check the effect of the changes. That looks better. Now let's change the color of the garment. On the Resources tabs, we go to Materials. We'll change the color of the rib fabric and save it in our color library. We'll change the color of the default fabric using the color we saved. And we'll change the color of the trim. That looks good. We can save our work and create a rendered image if we want by clicking on the camera icon on the main toolbar. And that's another example of how to arrange pattern pieces and stitch them. For more information, go to the Browseware Help Center at support.browseware.com.